So here we are in a part of Zhongshan called Wuguishan. Wuguishan is more to the south district and it's more mountains and not much else. This was actually where myself, my previous partner, had our office and storage area, and now it was just our two buildings before, our building here and this construction company here, and now I'll take you over there. There's more buildings happening around, and unfortunately we've let the rent go on this place. The rent was very good, very cheap for such a big area, but we've let the place go, and now the owner of the property has sold it to a construction company which is right behind. I'll show you in a minute. You can just see here where they're starting to do the construction, but it's a bit sad to see, you know, a previous premises and a good location, beautiful mountain environment, gone to development. And you know, I mean, China develops so fast. Within, I'd say, within 1 year, 2 years, all this will have gone, and some beautiful properties will be here at high prices. I'll just take you upstairs because we had a bit of a social bar area back in the day, and we had quite a few gatherings here, but now everything's gone, and construction will start soon, I believe. Not exactly sure how long, but as you can see here, all the new buildings happening. And here we are. We had some rooms here, had some bedrooms here, we even had a VIP toilet here, like you know, Western toilet, you gotta have a Western toilet. So everything here, empty room. This was the dining room area. We added an extra door through, and as you can see, there's Cheers Bar. So right here we had some nice tables and umbrellas and some lights and Cheers Bar. We had some good times here, and now we even had fireworks out here and everything. And now all this construction's coming and everything will change. The national bird of China, the crane, has appeared in Wuguishan. I'd like to try and keep hold of this sign because maybe I can find another location for it later. Cheers Bar is our bar. It's my friend's bar. We had it in the Cayenne area, and then he closed it down, and then I brought it here. Gotta say, there was more parties in my Cheers Bar than your Cheers Bar. So I'd like to keep the sign and then we can move it somewhere else later, but I've got no time at the moment to sort it, so maybe when I have time to come back, or I can organise it, then I can get it moved. I did like a patio seating area. I never actually finished it, and now it's just rotted and died, and it just needs a big fire. Even got the wires here. Little rooms that we had for staff. Little rooms. Carpet's still here. Everything gone. All the beds gone, everything gone. Nothing left. just raw materials and memories. A couple of bricks in the corner, and that's about it. So very nice to know you, Wuguishan, and I look forward to seeing your developments in the future. I hope more people will have good times here in Wuguishan, because it's a beautiful part of Zhongshan. So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.